Windows are more than just a design feature of your home. They play a critical role in energy efficiency, comfort, and overall value. If your windows are outdated, damaged, or inefficient, it might be time for a replacement. For homeowners in Pell City, professional window replacement offers numerous benefits, from improving your home's appearance to saving you money in the long run. Here's a closer look at why investing in professional window replacement is a smart choice for Pell City homeowners. Enhanced energy efficiency. Pell City experiences a range of weather conditions, from hot, humid summers to cooler winters. Old or poorly sealed windows can cause air leaks, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and increasing energy bills. Professional window replacement ensures proper sealing. Experts ensure windows are installed tightly, eliminating drafts and preventing energy loss. Advanced glass technology. Modern windows feature double or triple panes, low-E coatings, and gas fills, such as argon or krypton, that reduce heat transfer and maintain indoor comfort. Lower utility bills. By improving insulation, new windows can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs, saving you money year-round. Improved home comfort. Outdated windows often let in drafts, create uneven indoor temperatures, and fail to block outside noise. Professionally installed windows improve your home's comfort in several ways. Consistent temperatures. Properly installed windows prevent hot and cold spots, ensuring a comfortable environment throughout your home. Noise reduction. Modern windows are designed to minimize outside noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful living space. UV protection. Low-E glass blocks harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading while keeping your home cool. Boosted curb appeal. Windows are a prominent feature of your home's exterior, and outdated or damaged ones can detract from its appearance. Professional window replacement enhances curb appeal by offering modern designs. Choose from a variety of styles, finishes, and colors to complement your home's architecture. Providing custom options. Tailor your windows with decorative glass, grids, or specialty shapes for a personalized touch. Increasing home value. Updated, attractive windows can make your property more appealing to potential buyers, boosting its resale value. Increased security and safety. Old windows may have weak locks, flimsy frames, or single-pane glass, leaving your home vulnerable to intruders. New windows provide enhanced security features, such as sturdy frames. Modern materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum offer superior durability and resistance to break-ins. Impact-resistant glass. Laminated or tempered glass is designed to withstand force, providing an extra layer of protection. Advanced locks. Multi-point locking systems and smart lock compatibility enhance safety and peace of mind. Reduced maintenance needs. Older windows often require frequent painting, repairs, or sealing to maintain their appearance and functionality. Professional window replacement minimizes maintenance with durable materials. Vinyl and fiberglass frames resist warping, peeling, and fading, ensuring they look great with minimal upkeep. Tilt-in features. Many modern windows are designed for easy cleaning, allowing you to keep them sparkling without hassle. Weather resistance. New windows are built to withstand Pell City's climate, reducing wear and tear caused by humidity, rain, and sun exposure. Maximized return on investment, ROI. Replacing your windows is a home improvement project that pays off in multiple ways. Energy savings. Lower utility bills mean you'll recoup your investment over time. Higher resale value. Updated, energy-efficient windows are a strong selling point for buyers, especially in today's market. Longevity. Professionally installed windows are built to last, ensuring you won't need to replace them again for decades. Warranty protection and professional expertise. One of the most significant advantages of choosing professional window replacement is the peace of mind that comes with expert installation and warranty coverage. Expert installation. Professionals ensure windows are installed correctly, preventing issues like air leaks, water damage, or misaligned frames. Manufacturer warranties. Most replacement windows come with warranties that cover materials and installation, protecting your investment. Local knowledge. Professionals in Pell City understand the region's unique climate and can recommend the best window options for your home. Upgrade your home with professional window replacement. Whether you're dealing with drafty windows, rising energy bills, or simply want to update your home's appearance, professional window replacement in Pell City is a worthwhile investment. From improved energy efficiency and comfort to enhanced security and curb appeal, new windows offer a range of benefits that make your home more functional, beautiful, and valuable. Work with a trusted local window replacement expert to ensure a seamless installation process and long-lasting results. With professional guidance, you'll enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing your windows are not only stylish but also built to perform. Don't wait. Upgrade your windows today and transform your Pell City home.